Hey guys, in front of me is AGM Pad, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings. From settings list, select and open wallpaper and personalization. Here, select wallpapers, and now choose the source from which you want to pick your wallpaper. It can be something from live wallpapers, your gallery. If you have some photos in your gallery, you can simply pick it from here. And if not, just pick one from default wallpapers. And now mark it set as. So, as you can see, you can decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. Let me choose the third option. And that's it. As you can see, brand new wallpaper and also lock screen is applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.